So let's celebrate our freedom. I am Sarabjit Kaur from the core of my heart will welcome you in our today's function. On the behalf of our entire SPM family, I would like to welcome the esteemed faculty and the principal ma'am, staff members, students, and our most loving ones, those who are watching us virtually for the first time. We all are gathered here virtually to celebrate our 73rd Independence Day of our country, India. बात की हवाओं को बताए रखना, जहां रोशन रहेगा इस उम्मीद का दिया जलाए रखना, की है हिफाजत लहू देकर जिसकी हमने, उस वतने आज़म को रहती दुनिया तक कायम बनाए रखना. Our bright students Shivani and Arshdeep from class 2 will tell us about India and its independence.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shivani Panda and my friend Arshdeep Kaur. We are students of 12th standard from SBM. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. We would like to speak few words from the bottom of our hearts on this auspicious occasion. We feel immensely honored to be a part of this celebration. Today, we are celebrating the 73rd Independence Day. It is one of the most important days for all Indian citizens because on this day, 15th August 1947, our country became independent from British rule. British ruled over India for more than 200 years, during which they divided and controlled us. Many brave warriors of India raised their voice against the British to teach them the lesson and hoisted the tricolor on Indian soil. They sacrificed their lives for freedom. This is a way to remember the sacrifices of freedom fighters whose efforts gave us independence. Due to the struggle of these heroes, we are living a happy life in today's society without any difficulties.
Today, our country is on the path of progress, but even today, our Indian citizens are facing many problems like corruption, terrorism, poverty, unemployment, farmer suicide, and insecurity of women. As an Indian citizen, I just want to say that we have to eradicate these problems. Then, all of us should be unite and raise a voice against criminals so we can end these problems. So, let's come together on this occasion and salute the freedom fighter and vow to make the country powerful by ending such terrible problems. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to speak. Jai Hind.
Our next performance, a skit, will show you the idea behind the unity behind the diversity.
स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे, भक्त जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे. ओम जय जगदीश हरे. जो ध्यावे फल पावे, दुख बिन से मन का, स्वामी दुख बिन से मन का, सुख संपत्ति घर आवे. أشهد أن لا
is such a great country having different colors of religion, and we are so proud to be an Indian. So now our bright student of class 2, Yonita, will present a dance, Ye Mera India.
Okay.
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया। I love my India, I love my India.
ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया। ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India. ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India.
जब छेड़ा बलिहार किसी ने, आग लगा दी पानी में जब, सात सुरों का संगम ये जीवन की नौकी वाला। बांसुरी वाला, ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India.
ये मेरा इंडिया, I love my India. पीपू पीपू बोले पसीना, कोयल कुकू कुकू गाए। हंसते रोते हमने जीवन के सब गीत बनाए। ये सारी दुनिया अपने अपने गीतों को गाए। गीत गाओ जिससे इस मिट्टी की खुशबू आए, मिट्टी की खुशबू आए। I love my India, I love my India. वतन मेरा इंडिया, सजन मेरा इंडिया।
Wow, what a lovely performance given by Yonita. Let's have a change and feel yourself in a peaceful state by listening the melodious voice of our bright student Arshdeep Singh. He will sing a song for us.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का। इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का गहना। हो 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 हो। यहाँ चौड़ी छाती वीरों की, यहाँ भोली शक्लें हीरों की, यहाँ गाते हैं रांझे, यहाँ गाते हैं रांझे, मस्ती में मचती है धूमें बस्ती में। हो पेड़ों में बहारे झूलों की, राहों में कतारे फूलों की, यहाँ हंसता है सावन, यहाँ हंसता है सावन, बालों में खिलती है कलियां गालों में। हो दिलबर के लिए दिलदार हैं हम, दुश्मन के लिए तलवार हैं हम, मैदान में अगर हम डट जाएं, मुश्किल है पीछे हट जाएं। हो ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का गहना। हो
Thank you, Arshdeep, for singing such a lovely song. We really lost for a few seconds. Thank you so much. जीत का हौसला होता है जब जवानों में, नजर आती है उनको अपनी मंजिल आसमानों में। Now, our kids will show you a short poem. देश की सेवा कौन करेगा?
देश की सेवा कौन करेगा? हम करेंगे, हम करेंगे। अच्छे रास्ते पर कौन चलेगा? हम चलेंगे, हम चलेंगे। मीठी भाषा कौन बोलेगा? हम बोलेंगे, हम बोलेंगे। अच्छा बच्चा कौन बनेगा? हम बनेंगे, हम बनेंगे। Thank you, Daddy.
We live in Punjab and Punjab is not complete if Gidda is not there. Now I would like to call upon our Gidda team to give their performance and their views on the present era, that is COVID.
बारी बारी बरसी खटन लिया सी, बारी बारी बरसी खटन लिया सी, खट के लियांदा सोना। बारी बारी बरसी खटन लिया सी, खट के लियांदा सोना। घर विच बह सजना किते हो ना जाए कोरोना, घर विच बह सजना किते हो ना जाए कोरोना, घर विच बह सजना किते हो ना जाए कोरोना। बारी बारी बरसी खटन लिया सी, बारी बारी बरसी खटन लिया सी, खट के लियांदा गाँव।
बच्चे आजाद देश के ऐसा कुछ कर जाएंगे, हमें भी युगों युगों तक लोग याद कर जाएंगे। जन्म लिया इस धरती पर, इस धरती का ऋण चुकाएंगे। हम बच्चे आजाद देश के, हम बच्चे आजाद देश के। स्वतंत्र भारत में हमने जन्म लिया, नहीं भूले हम उनकी कुर्बानी जिन्होंने हमें आज़ाद किया। हम उनकी कुर्बानी को व्यर्थ जाने ना देंगे, हम उनका सपना साकार कर दिखाएंगे। भ्रष्टाचार और गरीबी को मिटाकर हम देश को तरक्की की ओर ले जाएंगे। हम बच्चे आज़ाद देश के, हम बच्चे आज़ाद देश के।
Now, our worthy principal ma'am will deliver a short speech to motivate us and the students.
Warm wishes to all of you. First of all, I want to wish you a very happy Independence Day. But due to the present situation of COVID-19, we are not able to celebrate it on the individual basis. We are celebrating it on the virtual side. But the feeling of independence, happiness for our country, love for our country remains in our heart, and it doesn't stop us to celebrate our Independence Day. This situation of COVID-19 is very crucial for all of us. We have to save our lives, our beloved lives, and most important, our youth. So, my dear students, you are all at home, you are taking your online classes, you are preparing your notebooks, you are doing well, you are taking the examinations, online examinations. All these are the new experiences for you as well as for your teachers also. So, I appreciate the role of parents as well as our dedicated, hard-working teachers who are giving their precious time in the form of online classes and the different activities which are for the students. This situation now is spreading and it is lingering on, but we don't know when will be it over. But there is a hope that it will over. Soon it will over. So I again thank you and appreciate you and advise you to remain at your home. Don't go outside unless you have very urgent work. Keep social distancing. Wear mask urgently when you are going outside. Keep your nears and dears away from you when you are not feeling well. And contact your doctor at once if you are observing some symptoms of any type of disease. Take care of yourselves, and I hope that you will enjoy this festival, our national festival, Independence Day, and all other festivals which are approaching in our Indian cultures. And I pray to God that this COVID situation will over soon. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome. Someday, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome. Thank you. Happy Independence Day.
Thank you, ma'am, for your remarkable words. Our love for our nation is worthiness. Our love for our people is endless. All we desire for our country is happiness. Let us be the first people to wish you a very happy Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind. Independence Day is incomplete without national anthem. So, I request you all to please stand up
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे सब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।